They're replacing the battery, CMOS battery for HP all-in-one. Is taking this bit out. You don't need to take the hard drive out. I took the hard drive out because it would not boot properly, but I reckon the problem is the BIOS battery doesn't hold the power, and I took measurement, and this one is not even producing 1 volt on the battery tester. So we got it up to about 1 volt max, and it's supposed to have 3 volts. So I'm putting a new one in, because what happens is we're not getting the BIOS battery doesn't seem to hold the power, and whenever the computer reboots, it needs to go. I need to go to the BIOS setting and tell it where to boot it from again. So that going that way. Oops. I don't know if you've seen it. I took it out. Comes out like that. Let's move that bit aside and it goes back in. Like that. Yeah, when I opened this lid, I haven't seen it first. I thought it would be somewhere flat, but it's actually up the side like that. So you can just close this cover. Actually, I had the trouble. I felt like this cable is not connected properly, and I wanted to have a look to see, to make sure it's like a USB. Well, it asks for a USB hard drive, and I have to select USB to boot it from this hard drive here. So anyway, that's how you replace the battery. You can see other videos how to take the lid off, but I was looking for particularly where to find the BIOS battery on this. Good luck with yours. Bye.